You know, certain times of year bring great deals, and these are great deals. Today we've got some beautiful linen, 100% linen. This is a gray. These are all going to be $14.99 today and tomorrow. I got a good price on them. I'm passing that right along. This is a beautiful linen, great for pants. Washing Coca-Cola, it'll just soften and soften. But just a great drape. Jackets, this is your chance to try linen. If you haven't tried it, it's just beautiful. It's gotten so expensive because the demand has gotten so high. This is a neutral. This neutral is just, again, it's a beautiful color, 100% linen. Just a great piece of fabric. $14.99 is our giveaway. This is a denim, 100% cotton. It's a white denim and it's a stretch denim. Just, again, a beautiful piece of fabric. Great price, great fabric, great hand. And then I've got 3 ponteromas, and again, these are all $14.99. So if you haven't made your yoga pants or jackets or all the things we can make with this, let me show it to you. This particular one is a cotton poly. It's a cotton poly. It's got stretch in one direction, but it's a great ponteroma. It's got great drape. It's a beautiful color. It's a deep black. Just lovely. This is 100% cotton. It's a sky blue. It's got stretch in both directions. So great hand, great recovery, just a really beautiful fabric. This is a brown, a dark brown. It's got stretch in both directions and is 100% cotton. So $14.99 today and tomorrow until they're gone. And the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.